It's a horn, and it's made out of PVC pipes. So you can find everything that you need for this project from Home Depot or Lowe's in the plumbing section, the PVC section. So if you're interested in making it yourself, the blueprints are right here. That's everything that you'll need. Just take a screenshot, whatever, and get everything you need to make it. And this is the horn actually working. Here and here. Look at me. First I used to blow on a trumpet, now I'm blowing these pipes. Is it just me, or I just like blowing things? Well, you'll never know. Anyways, so behind this whole project was producing sound and making an instrument. So we need a vibrating mechanism, and that is the diaphragm. I use grocery bags. You can use other pieces of plastic like sandwich bag, maybe a trash bag also. Just cut out a circular piece, and those two big parts are the sound chamber. Those are responsible for amplifying the sound to make it louder. And then you have the mouthpiece, or I was supposed to actually use a pump, but I didn't have a pump. I just blew through it. And those are the tuning pipes. Depending on how long they are, it's going to dictate the pitch. If they're longer, the pitch is going to be lower. If they're shorter, the pitch is going to be higher. And then you have the end. The book, they call it a trumpet. I'm just going to call it like a bell or something. It's supposed to like direct the sound in a certain direction. And it makes it much deeper too, because it's basically extending the piping. So yeah, that's the main components and the idea behind all this. So if you want to try out the experiment, please do. It's actually pretty fun, and enjoy. And also stay tuned for more episodes and all that good stuff.